The topic of this video is sequences. Sequences are an ordered set of objects, usually written as a list of numbers. The key is to find the pattern within that sequence. Let's take a look at some examples. An example of a sequence that is a list of objects is shapes. Star, circle, square, star, circle, square. You can obviously identify the pattern. Another sequence is a list of numbers. Take a look at example number 2. You have 3, 7, 11, 15. Can you identify the pattern? The pattern is simply adding 4 each time. Try example number 3. 5, 20, 80, 320. What's the pattern? This one is simply multiplying by 4. Now these examples provide us with two different types of sequences. Let's take a look. The first example of a type of a sequence is arithmetic sequences. These are sequences that either add or subtract. Take a look at some examples. In the first example, 6, 9, 12, 15, I am simply adding 3 each time. In the second example, 27, 18, 9, 0, I'm subtracting 9 each time. Those are both considered arithmetic sequences. Geometric sequences are the other types of sequences. These are sequences that multiply. Here are two examples, 900, 300, 100, 33.3 repeating. This is a sequence that's being multiplied by 1/3 each time. The other example, 2, 10, 50, 250, this one is being multiplied by 5 each time. With geometric sequences, we don't divide, we simply multiply by the reciprocal. Here I would like you to practice. Find the next 3 terms in this sequences and then also classify them. What type of sequence are they?